It's your boy Lucrative Setting, and we back here today. Show y'all a couple days full of jobs that I did. Majority of them was done in one day. Like this apartment right here. We got a couple apartment clean outs, 2 to be exact. One of them was probably the worst I ever seen, which I believe is this one. See that on the ground? Guns. They BB guns, so all we had to do was take them apart and smash them. But this house is disgusting, so go ahead, take a look. Here goes the first load. After we bagged everything up, we had to use double gloves on this job. Like I said, that house was crazy. That was one of the loads, and we got upstairs done. They had a lot of animals and pets, so they're gonna have to pull this rug in the whole apartment. It's just the sky view. Us throwing the stuff off the side. Got the downstairs done. It took a little bit longer than I thought. Usually we in and out of jobs in less than an hour, but by all the stuff we had to bag up, this probably took us about 3 hours to complete the whole job and go to the dumps. And as we went to the dump, we found out that the dump prices went up. So here go the second load right here. My partner right there locking and loading it. And here goes the next day. This day we went and got a U-Haul because there was a bunch of stuff on the outside of these apartments. See beds and dressers, and I guess people moving out and just taking their stuff and setting it out there. Another bed. And this is the apartment. We doing all this one right here in one day. So we doing all the apartments. It's gonna be a 2 demo jobs later on in the video you won't see. But yeah, I'm gonna let y'all go ahead and take a look. Here goes some trash on the outside. It's about to be a epidemic in our city because, like I said earlier, the prices are going up. They're starting to accept less at the dump, which makes absolutely no sense. So someone is just randomly dumping this stuff, and I have to come and get it, pack it all in. See, we got the other truck right here separated with the metal so we can sell the metal. That adds profit to the job. And now here goes the demolition pickups. All this is from a kitchen. It's a kitchen demo. Ran it around the corner. Got it up out of there. Took about 15 minutes. And then we had Oh, I did that the opposite way. That ain't supposed to look like that. It's all good. I'm not going back. We put all this stuff together. We usually don't assemble, but we do sell beds and mattresses. And here go the last one. Working in the rain. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get it.